Okay, and the next attack, I think I'm going to do a 1-to-1 with him. 3, is that a disable?
Disable.
All right. And the other 2 on the light, or the
1-to-1. 3 is disabled. It's already disabled, so that's destroyed.
Okay. Over here, 2, this is a 1-to-1.
1-to-1, 2 GEVs on the infantry. Disabled, so it'll become a
so
1.
1. Alright, these 2 combined fire on him again for a 2-to-1.
Destroyed.
And over here, same thing.
Destroyed.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Secondary movement. You're going to go...
This is your 4th or 5th turn?
4th, I believe.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I want to separate these 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Over here... 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, then you can, 1, 2, 3. If I draw your guys out, that's a good thing. 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. Your turn. Okay. Darn, I'm down to GEV. And I forgot about the forests.
Yeah. If I move out to get a shot, I'm just going to get destroyed. But you know what? I'm going to... No, that's just going to end up hitting the same guy, but I have to block this hex, so I'll move there.
Oh, we can't move through hexes with the enemy unit?
You can. That starts overrun combat.
Oh, joy.
Yeah.
Infantry win overrun.
Floop. Floop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. This infantry on that GV 1 to 2, a 6 is destroyed.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Wow. Okay,
This guy, this missile tank on him 1 to 1, 6 is destroyed. Finally, the dice are my friend.
That's not...
This missile tank on this GV 1 to 1, a 1, no effect. So that's everybody over there. Moving over here, 2 of these infantry on that GEV for 1 to 1. A 2 is no effect. The other one on a 1 to 2, I get a 4. That is also no effect.
They can shoot.
This guy should have been. Did you? Yeah, this was
one last turn. Yeah.
this last turn.
Yeah.
Okay, so you get another turn to disable him. He doesn't come back yet. If we got it wrong, somebody on YouTube will
Yell at us.
yell at us. Yeah. And that finishes my combat. It's now your turn again.
Okay. I'm not going to overrun because infantry always win.
You should do it just so we can give an example.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
There's nothing to overrun. Okay, fine. He'll overrun him, and he'll go up here. Okay. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait,
Yeah, you gotta be on the
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, over here, we're going to do first overrun combat.
Overrun combat happens during the movement phase. Defenders get advantage of terrain, the attacker does not. My 3 squads fire separately, their attack strength is doubled. So they each get a 1-to-1 attack on your GEV, and disables become kills. So if I roll anything but a 1 or a 2, there's a 1, there's a 4, he's destroyed.
That was it?
Yes, if you survive 3 shots, you would have gotten to shoot back. And we continue until only one, going back and forth until only one side is left.
Okay, fine. The other 4 are all combining fire on the 1 infantry unit.
On there?
Yes.
So that's 8 to 3 is 2 to 1. Actually, just 3 of them should get a 2 to 1, and then you can have the other guy.
Fine. We're doing it that way.
2 to 1, a 3 is a disable, so that becomes a 2.
2, and then the second one is a
1 to 1.
3.
The 3 is disable. That 1 to 1 becomes, or that one becomes a single squad.
This is going to kill me.
Well, the important thing is he was there, right?
Yeah.
There's still somebody in the hex, so you can't charge through without overrun.
1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 2, 1, 2. That's the best I can do.
And this guy comes
over
back.
here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you'll probably still get a shot at one of them.
Right. So that finishes your which turn? 4.
4.
Okay.
Am I missing a GEV? Oh, right, you took it out because of overrun. That was a genius idea. You're right, I should do that again.
Actually, these guys can move too, so I'm going to have them do that.
Good.
Okay. Oh, and then this guy will move up.
Oh, joy.
I hate to come out of the woods, but
Don't worry, I'm going to be long gone if I'm still alive.
yeah, well, here we go. This missile tank, that GEV, 1-to-1. Destroyed.
That wasn't.
This missile tank, that GEV, 1-to-1. Destroyed.
Oh, great.
There we go. Now things are going my way. I'm going to lose those guys. But 2 of these infantry on that GEV, no effect. The remaining one at 1-to-2, no effect. 2 of those on him at...
1-to-1.
No, he could get off first. So 2 of them on that guy at 1-to-1. He is destroyed. Okay.
And then the other 2 infantrymen.
One of him on him at 1-to-2. Nope. This infantry squad on that GEV 1-to-1, 1-to-2. 1, no effect. This light tank on that GEV 1-to-1. Destroyed. Oh my gosh. Finally getting in there and mixing it up.
Drat.
Well, you're still going to score. You're still going to win, I think. Okay, that completes my turn. It is now your turn. This guy can't quite get off. Oh wait, he can in secondary movement. Both those guys can get off this turn.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Then get a shot first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why would we bother getting a shot off first? Okay, secondary movement.
Everybody gets off.
And what turn was it? It was like 6?
Yeah.
I'm fairly certain
Now.
it was 8.
Final score. The final score, you moved 4 units off before your 8th turn for 32 points. Okay? I destroyed how many here?
7, 8.
I destroyed 8 of them at, let me see here, my pen. I destroyed 8 for 48 points.
Oh.
48. You destroyed, how many infantry are left? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16. 16, so you destroyed 4 squads at 2 points each, that's 8 points. You got 32 points worth off the board, and you also destroyed 1, 2, 3 armor units for a total of 18, plus that is 21. 21 points of my armor units. So you got 61 points to my 48. You have won, even though you only got 1/3 of your force.
But that's only like a marginal victory.
Oh, let me check.
See the book, because it's like if you're leading by a certain number. I'm leading by 13 points.
Victory levels. Attacker ahead 21 to 49, marginal victory. You are ahead by 13 points. Ha-ha! Attacker ahead 0 to 20 points, no clear victor. Ha-ha. Okay, so yeah, so he got off the board quickly with his force, and I did a pretty bad job there. I can't remember how you do this scenario properly. But he got his force off quickly, but not enough of it. I got very lucky in that last turn's shooting. So that is a breakthrough. The companion scenario is raid. That uses the same map, but the GEVs enter and try to shoot the place up. The defense starts very weak, but gets a unit a turn as a reinforcement on a random side. And then, of course, the GEVs try to escape later. And by putting 2 of these maps together, which will be very easy in Designer's Edition, you can play breakthrough and raid, and link them on a very large map. So that is how GEV works. You saw a little overrun combat. You saw a little spillover combat. You saw how you can get a dramatic armor-on-armor combat. So that is the sample game.